Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will share with you how I make these super delicious beef empanadas. For this recipe I used ground beef, chili flakes, smoked paprika powder, garlic powder, dried oregano, salt, an onion, cilantro, cumin, vinegar, water, an egg, butter, and all-purpose flour. We are going to start with the dough. For that, sift the flour into a bowl and add a pinch of salt. Give it a whisk. Add butter, and it works best with cold butter. Use your hands to mix the butter into the flour until it forms into a breadcrumb-like consistency. And if you want to make this easier on yourself, you can also do this in a food processor. Make some space in the middle of the bowl and add the whisked egg, water, and vinegar. Give it a mix and mix the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients. Now keep kneading the dough until it comes together. Wrap the dough in cling film and refrigerate it for about 15 minutes. In the meantime, we'll be working on the filling. For that, dice the onions, mince the garlic, and cut the bell pepper and cilantro. Cook the onions in a little bit of oil over medium heat until it starts to brown. Add the garlic and cook it along for 2 to 3 more minutes while continuously stirring. Add the beef and spices. Mix it and cook until the beef is done. You can keep the filling in the pan, but I transferred it to a bowl to allow it to cool down a little bit faster. Add the chopped bell pepper and cilantro, mix it and set it aside. Take the dough out of the refrigerator and roll the dough. I am using an empanada press to cut out circles. If you do not have one, you can use a cup, a bowl, a cookie cutter, or any other round kitchen object. Remove the excess dough and repeat until you're done. If you're using a press, place the dough on the press. If not, just put it on your countertop. Put the filling in the middle. What I like to do to make it secure is apply a little bit of water on the edges of the dough before I close it. You could also use egg whites, and if you do not have a press, you use your fingers or a fork to secure it after closing it. And at this stage, they are also perfect to freeze to use at a later point. You can choose to either fry the empanadas over medium heat around 175 Celsius until they're golden brown, or you can bake them in the oven. But before baking them, make sure to brush the empanadas with an egg wash and bake it in a preheated oven of 200 Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes. And there you have it, fried and baked empanadas. If you decide to give this recipe a try, let me know on Instagram how you like it at Amma's Kitchen. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys.